Dear friends, welcome to this session. So now in this video session, we are going to discuss about that how to create a new company in Tally application. And after that we'll discuss how to alter the company, that how to edit the company. And after that we'll discuss about how to delete the company, and also we'll discuss how to create a secured company. These are all the major things to understand as a student for the first time. Yes. So now I'll just show you how to create a new company in Tally application for the first time. Ensure that if there is no companies are yet created, if the companies are not yet created, ensure that if the companies are not yet created, you will get this screen in the name of company info, select company, login as remote user, create company, backup and restore and quit functions. For example, if the companies are already created, you will get this type of screen. So when you get this type of screen, press Alt plus F1 to shut down this exist company and to get the same function as like a create company option. When you click on create company, the system will open the company profile. It allows you to enter all the details about your company, like name of the business, address, mobile number, email ID, all the details that can be entered in this company profile, right? So now here you may see that the first option is given, that directory, that where you like to save your company. Make sure that I am giving a suggestion. See, by default the directory was selected as a C drive, and make sure that we can't take a risk of losing your data, right? So it is not safe to save your company in C drive. Always you choose a folder other than C drive, because in C drive we already install our OS application, right? Operating system was already installed. In the future, for any reason, if the system is damaged, if you want to format the system, so there is a chance of losing data, so we can't take a risk of losing the data, right? So it is better to choose a folder that is other than C drive. So here, if you want to change the address for the current company, if you want to choose any other folder for this current company, you may directly enter the new folder address. Or if you want to fix a folder for each and every future companies as well, are understanding? If you want to change the folder address for this current company, directly you may enter the new folder address in this location, like d:/tally folder likely. But if you want to fix the address for all of your future companies, very simple. Just close the company. Right now. Just close Tally application right now, and just right click on a Tally application. Before right clicking on Tally application, I am opening my PC. There I am going to create a new folder. I am creating a new folder in the name of Tally data. Are you understanding, right? So in the name of Tally, I just created a folder. I'm just creating a folder in the name of Tally data. Just open the folder. Now you may see that the folder is empty right now. I'm just copying the address. This is an operating system. How did you copy an operating system? By pressing Ctrl plus C. So I just copied the address of this folder, and which is not located in C drive. And after that, just right click on Tally application and just click on open file location. Just right click on Tally application and open Tally installed location, and then just open a Tally configuration settings. Just open Tally configuration settings, and there you need to update a file, and that is, you may see that the file name is given here. Yes, you may see that specify location of data files. The specify location of data file, by default it is set to C drive, so it is not safe. It is not recommended to save your company for always in C drive. So I'm just going to change the address for future companies. If I wanted to change the address only for the current company, you don't need to come back to this location. There you just enter directly the address. But if you want to apply the same address for future companies as well, you need to update in Tally settings location. So just after once updating the same, just click on close and just click on save. So now we are just changing the modification. Yes, the modification has been changed. Now once again you just open Tally application. So when we were opening Tally application for the first time, the system is asking you to save your company in C drive, right? So now what I am going to do is, I just updated the settings configuration file, because I just wanted to save all my future companies in other than C drive. So because we have chosen E drive Tally data folder, so there we are going to activate. Just go to work in education mode and just click on create company. Now this time you may see that the address has been changed from C drive to E drive. Are understanding? If you want to change the address for the current company only, then directly you enter the address in this location. If you want to fix a folder for all of your future companies, just go back to the Tally configuration settings file. There you just update the new address that where you like to save a company. And the next option is that now the system is asking you about to enter the name of the company. Actually, now here I am going to enter the name of the company as Tally Education. You may see that whenever I press enter, the name whatever I have entered in the place of name is also automatically copied to mailing name. But now what is the difference between name and a mailing name? So very simple. The name which is the name is that the name which is going to display in your Tally application but not in your reports. And here the name which is the mailing name, the name which is going to display in your book of accounts but not in the Tally application. Achha, what is the difference? For example, to communicate with my employees or anything, I just used to say the name as the Tally Education, but the same as simple Tally Education cannot be printed on your sales invoice or purchase invoice, right? So what I'll do means, so in the place of mailing name, I'm going to enter as Tally Education Private Limited. Now you got the difference, right? So yes, the name is the name that which we used for communicate with our employees or for internal communication or communication with the people, likely with your customers. But now for officially that the name that which we are going to use, that you has to mention in the place of mailing name. So very simple. Name is nothing but the name that which we are using for communication. And the mailing name is that the name which we legally registered has to going to be printed on your all legal documents and the legal reports. So name is nothing but the name that which we used for communication, and the mailing name is the name that which we legally registered. Yes. Next, the system is asking you about the address. You may confirm the address as well. Yes, that just confirm the address that where the company was located. Yes, and after that the system is asking about to confirm the country. You may see that now by default it is selected United Kingdom. They are the British, they are using the British pounds. So the symbol has automatically selected as pounds. So I'm going to confirm my country as in India, and you may see that the country currency has been changed to Indian rupees, and now the system is asking you to confirm the state. So I'm just going to confirm the state as Telangana. And next the system is asking you about to confirm the pin code. I'm just going to confirm the pin code as 503. Yes. Next one is that ensure that just enter all the details in a proper manner, because the same address or the same mailing name is going to print in your future document. So just mention a proper address in the proper manner. Next, the system is asking you to confirm the phone number. So just confirm all the phone numbers. And after that the system is asking you about to confirm the fax number, nothing. And now the system is asking you to confirm about email ID. I'm just going to confirm as info@tallyinstituteoflearning.in. Yes, now the system is asking you what is the financial year. See, the year is already started on April and we are starting book of account from the month of May. So just confirm the respective financial year begins from 1st of April, but now we are starting our book of accounts from 1st of May. For example, if you are starting a business on 1st April, then directly you may enter 1st April and 1st April. But now in this case we are starting the business in the month of May, so I am going to enter the books beginning from 1st of May, but my financial year is already started on 1st of May 2019. Next, the system is asking about security vault password. We will discuss this thing in the coming session. So I'm just going to, once filling the profile, directly press Ctrl+A. Ctrl+A is a shortcut key. Ctrl+A is the instant shortcut key to save anything in Tally application directly wherever you are. If you want to save anything in Tally application instantly, just directly press Ctrl+A. Yes, the company has been created, right? Yes, the company, you may see that what is the name is going to display. Yes, for our communication the name is displaying as Tally Education, but here I'll just open a balance sheet. I just take the print. So in that preview you may see that the name which is going to display in the balance sheet is that Tally Education Private Limited, but in the Tally, so you may see that on the reports the name of Tally Education Private Limited is going to be printed, but in the Tally application for communication it is going to display only Tally Education. That means the name that which we entered in the place of name, that is only the name that which we use for communication and trading, and the name which we legally registered, that has to be mentioned in the place of mailing name. And after once filling all the details, directly press Ctrl+A in order to save your company instantly, or you just press enter 16 times to save your company. As simple that is. Thank you. Yes, now we will see that how to alter the company. What is alteration of company? See, now the company located in X location, and tomorrow we just move the company from X location to Y location. So you need to update your address on your invoices, right? So likely if you want to change the mobile number, or if you want to change the email address, or if you want to change the legal name, or if you want to change the trade name, anything, if you want to alter, if you want to edit whatever you created in the time of company creation. So if you want to edit the company profile, very simple. First, from Tally main page, here this is the, you may see that the name of the company is going to be shown here. So in this location here, just press directly Alt plus F3. So when you press F3, the system will show some company information. System will show company information. There you just click on alter. You may see that when you click on alter, the system will give a chance to select the company that which you like to alter. So if you want to alter the company, so just click on Tally Education. So I just selected Tally Education. Now here you may change the address from X address to Y address. So when the company was shifted from one location to other location, whatever you like to change, you just change the things. So this is how simple we just alter the company. And after once doing all the modification, after once completing all the editing, again directly press Ctrl+A to save the modification. Yes, the company has been updated. So this is how simple it is. And the third one is that deleting the company. Is it possible to delete a company in Tally application? Yet it's very simple and easiest process to delete a company. Directly from Tally application, press Alt F3 and go to same alter. So just select the company that which you would like to delete. See, we already discussed about how to alter a company, right? In the same company profile, you just press Alt+D. So when you press Alt+D, the system will give a chance to delete the company. The system is giving the confirmation message. Just confirm yes, I would like to I just wanted to delete my company. Yes, the company has been deleted. And this is how simple the company deletion is. So now I am just going to select company. If you go to select company, you may see that there is no companies on this list. All the companies whatever we created, we just created a company and we just deleted the same company. There is no companies to be shown on this list. Now, so likely any person can delete, the person whoever is accessing your sheet, any person whoever no Tally application, the person can simply delete your company, right? So is there is any security on this company? For example, I went off to some other location. A person is my opposition, he is sitting in my seat. So the person can delete the company without my permission. Yes, the person no Tally application, any person can delete your company without your permission. So there is no security of this company, right? So yes, that's what the Tally also developed a securing feature. It's called as vault password. Yes, now we are going to create a company with security. So very simple. Once again, I'm just going back to same creating company. So here I'm just filling all the company profile details as regular again, Tally Education, and here Tally Education Private Limited. Just confirm the detail that whatever you wanted to confirm. After that, just click on save the company. Just confirm, just fill the blank, but just come down to security control. In the place of security control, just enter the vault password. That I'm going to enter 1234. Just confirm the same password as 1234, 1234, and again enter 1234. Confirm the same. Tally allows you to add a two-tier security. We already given Tally vault password, right? Now the system is also giving a chance to activate to create a administrator as well. So if you want to create administrator to make high security, just enable even use security control. Yes, and the system is giving a chance to create a name of administrator. So here I'm going to confirm my name, and after once confirm the name of the administrator, just enter admin's individual password. See, we entered Tally vault password as 1234. Now we entered name of the administrator. Now here I'm going to give the password as 0000. So the vault password is different and the admin password is different. Yes, if you want to open the company, you need to enter these two passwords in order to access the company data. Yes, and directly press Ctrl plus A. Repeat the password 0000 and directly press Ctrl plus. Yes, we just created a company with security. So now if you once close the Tally application and if you are giving a chance to anybody else to access your seat, nothing will happen. Yes, when the person wants to delete the company, if you once go to select company, you may see that even the system is not giving a chance at least to view the company because the star indicates the company was secured. So if you want to open the company, the system will ask you to enter a vault password. What is the vault password? The vault password is 134. If you enter any other wrong password and if you once press enter, system never give a chance to get into the company. So I'm going to enter the right password as 1234 and press enter. Achha, now by using vault password, can you open the company? No, only by entering vault password can just access only the name of the company. And if you, in order to get access the full company, again you need to confirm the name of the user, you need to confirm the name of administrator and also enter admin password as 0000, then press enter. Now this Tally has been opened. Now you can delete the company by going to Alt F3 and go to alter and again here you may press Alt plus D. Are you understanding? Right, so this is how simple securing a company is.